Welcome back to I'll Do It Yourselfers. Today we're looking at a workout machine here. This is the Lifestyler Cardio Fit. So this is a low impact cardio machine where the exercise is really simple. You're kind of using your core and legs to push yourself up into almost a standing position and then lowering yourself back down again. You got two pedals here and a handlebar you hold on to here. So this is a great cardio exercise, and you're using your whole body in order to lift yourself up. So while I pull on this handlebar, I push with my feet here. And you can't necessarily see in the camera, but there's two pedals that my feet are on. There's a set of higher pedals that makes it a little more difficult, and then a lower set of pedals. Yeah, it's really high quality. It's a good push to be able to. I like that it's low impact. It's a really easy exercise to do. Really fun if you put some music on and this is the workout. It's not too intense. You don't overly struggle. You don't have to overly struggle with it. And it's great that you don't have to really take anything on or off. I don't believe there's any way to. Looking down here, it looks like there's a dial down here. I found something down here that looks like it adjusts. I wonder if this adjusts the level of it. So it looks like there's a cylinder down here that adjusts the resistance, which is cool. But there's not really an easy way to adjust it. So yeah, this is the Lifestyler Cardio Fit. Even though it's a bit of an older machine, still works great. It's still in good condition. So thanks for watching.